Hey everybody, this is Matt Bussell with Solutions to Low Voltage. Hope y'all are having a great Wednesday. They call it hump day. That means we're halfway through the week. We're over the hump here. Great. It's actually past hump day. We're at the end of the day. What we've done here, guys, is we're at a school, good old cinder block. I'm going to show you some things that we did to get the cables down, but we're wrapping things up and we're down here to testing one of our last cables. Real quick, I wanted to show you some of our techs that are working with us today. We've got Sean. And we've got our new guy, Silas. Silas is running the other side of the fluke tester. Silas, if you would go ahead and go there and test IDF4 cable number 40. And what's going to happen, guys, is you're going to hear a beep, and that means he's plugged the tester in on the other side, and no job is complete without your test results. In this case, we got the good tester. We got the fluke. It's going to give certified test results to my customers, so there's a guarantee these cables are working, and that allows me to give a warranty on our work. What we've done, guys, is we put in some wall raceway. You might call it surface mount raceway, surface mount conduit. Basically, all it is plastic. There's several varieties. This is called the latch duct. It's actually one piece. You put it on the wall, and you start snapping it back together. There's some really cool pieces that we're going to use to make this look good, the final result. A lot of times the guys will actually cut the metal on the wall there, on the ceiling grid, so the cables can come through. I mean, if you did that at all your cable drop locations, I mean, it would look terrible in this room. You don't have to do that, guys. They make a piece, it's called the ceiling adapter. Okay, it's perfect. You don't have to run your stick all the way up to the wall, and you don't have to cut the metal. And the ceiling adapter, it actually goes on like this, and it gives your cables a way to actually conform to the some of the rules of low voltage, and that's not to put a hard bend on your cables. The other thing that we like to use is the coupler. The coupler's usually used to couple two segments of sticks together. In this case, I'm done with cutting sticks and coupling them together. You can buy 8-foot sections of this stick. So you don't have to add on another piece. In fact, we have to trim off a little bit to actually fit the outlets. The outlets are going to be installed at normal outlet height. What that means is going to be unison with the height of other outlets on the wall. We're going to use a surface mount box, and I'm going to show you here that we're using the 4-port face plates. We most typically use blue Cat6 jacks. And what we really like about these things is, although they come with the sticky back, we're not going to use the sticky back in no way, form, or fashion, because you know what happens. It leaves sticky on the wall, and it removes paint if you ever have to take them off the wall. So what we do is we use some industrial strength concrete anchors with hex screws. Just shoot about 3 or 4 holes, bolt those, screw those to the wall, and it's a one-stop shop. It's sealed and dealed. And we're about to test this cable. And we got a pass, guys. So again, we just wrapped up today's job. Even my new tech, I have to give a shout out to him, Silas. He did 6 of the 10 jacks in this one room, and he had 100% pass on his first day. So I'm really proud of him. No matter if he failed it, this tester would have showed it failed, and we would have fixed it. We're not going to hand off a failed result to you. One last thing, guys, I did want to mention this product here, the raceway, the surface mount, the ceiling adapter, the coupler. These are made by Panduit. Okay, for those in low voltage, Panduit's a very top quality name brand. You definitely get what you pay for. And the other thing is we are using Graybar for our Panduit supplies. So we thank Graybar for helping us get these materials. We've been with Graybar for about 20 plus years, and we really appreciate them as one of our main distributors. So Panduit, Graybar, thank you very much. New techs, thank you very much. Richard's narrating for us. He's one of my lead techs / project manager. Great job, Richard, today for leading the show on this school project. So guys, whether you have a school or an office, cinder block walls, drywall, drop ceiling, hard ceiling, indoor, outdoor, whatever it is, we're going to make it happen for you. Thank you. Talk to you later.